How to make a free payment landing page in Stripe, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a free payment landing page using Stripe. So let's get into it. Stripe is an online payment platform that allows you to send and receive payments. It also allows you to create online payment landing pages so that you can directly share a link with your customers or users and they can pay you directly on Stripe using your landing page. How to get started with Stripe? You need to go to stripe.com and you will land on this website right here. With Stripe, we will be able to receive payments and we can also add subscription pages, we can add our services and create a free landing page. So you will need to create an account on Stripe. In order to sign up, you're going to click on this option right here. This is our sign up form. In order to sign up with Stripe or to create an account for free, you just need your email address. Then you're going to enter your full name, select your country and password. Then you're going to select I agree and then click on create account. Your account will be created on Stripe. After the initial sign up or sign into your Stripe, this is where you will get. This is my dashboard on Stripe and I'll show you how I create payment landing pages to share with my customers so that they can directly pay me through a link to a landing page on Stripe. So once you are here on your Stripe, this is our main dashboard. You have to navigate to more right here. When you go to more, it will show you some of the direct payment methods and we have a payment link. So you're going to select this one. And here we will create our new landing page for payment. You're going to click on new and it will take you right here. So you can see create a payment link for products and subscriptions. So there are two types of payment links that we can create. It's going to be for our simple e-commerce for like different products and subscriptions, a simple payment link that we can share, a simple landing page. And then we also have one for tipping, donation, and pay what you want. So this is for donation, but we're gonna go for the first one. Now we have a payment page and confirmation page. So the payment page will look like this. Here you have to select the product first, that for what product you are creating this payment landing page. Here you're going to select the product that you have already created. Creating a product on Stripe is really easy. You can just go ahead to the items and create a new item. I have already created one, which is like a plan that we have for our website, and you will enter it right here. Now, I'm going to scroll down a little bit to the options. You can add more than one product. Keep that in mind. So I'm going with one product. You can see I edited, and we can also add like let customers adjust the quantity, what quantity they are going to go for. So I'm going to enter from 0 to 3, and it's actually going to be from 1. Perfect. So this is going to be the quantity that they can select. This is my plan right here. This is my amount. We can add another product. Click on add another product. If you do not want to add it, then you can just leave this option. Then we have options right here. Collect customers' addresses, require customers to provide a phone number, include a free trial. So as I am going for a subscription for a website, what I can do is I have some of the options available. For example, a free trial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add a free trial and I'm giving a 3 days free trial to my customers. Then we have collect customers address and then we have provide a phone number. So I want them to provide a phone number, and you can see this is how the form is looking. You can see right here. This is the preview. All right, so I'm gonna click on advanced options now. Here we have allow promotional codes, allow business customers to provide tax IDs. For now, I'm gonna leave these options. Once you're done with this, once you're done with the payment page, you're going to move on to the confirmation page. And here, this is what it will look like. Thanks for subscribing with Stripe. Okay, show confirmation page, replace default with custom message, or don't show confirmation page. I want to show a confirmation page to my customers. So I'm going to go with the show option. And then we have replace default with custom message. Now the default message says, thank you for subscribing. After your trial, a payment to Stripe will appear on your statement. Okay, if I want to go with like a default, I will click right here and include a message. For example, thank you for buying subscription or something like that if I want to go for. So this is what it will look like. Thank you. or your payment is confirmed, you can add whatever. I'm gonna go with the default because I think it looks good and it's giving the information to my customer that their payment is done. So this is what our payment page looks like. It's a simple landing page that I've created. You can see this is our preview. We have our images, we have our payment detail here, then we have our email address, phone number, their card info my customers will add, and they will be paying with their Stripe or any other method. We can also get a preview, a mobile view. So this is what it will look like on a mobile phone. Start trial. Okay, looking good. And once everything is done, what you're going to do is you're going to click on create link. Once the link is created, now you're good to go. It will take you back to your page settings, and now this is the link I'm going to copy. So just going to copy the link and share it with an email address, on a website, wherever you want it to be. Most of the time it's going to be on a website and it will open up like a page. Click on these three dots. We can change the name anytime, edit the name, add a note, or deactivate as well. This is what it says. It's a premium plan for $7 per month. For my page, you will add your details. Now there's some tips for using your link. Let customers manage their subscriptions by sharing a link to customer portal. You can share the link through email. You can share the link on your website. These are going to be the details, and it will show me when the payments are done. And of course, I will be getting the analytics of what's happening. The payment methods that are supported with this are going to be a card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. I can manage the payment methods. Click on manage right here, and you will be able to manage what are the different payment methods your customers can use. So you can see we have a setup. We have cards, it's on. Then we have some other options: Alipay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, WeChat Pay, Link. We have bank redirects. All of the banks are given, and we can turn these on. Then I can scroll down. We have Klarna, Affirm, Afterpay. So look right here how good Stripe is that we can allow our customers to pay with any of the payment method. This is actually really impressive. So with the bank deposit, I'm going to turn on all with bank deposit as well. And then we have like Apple Pay, we have Alipay, WeChat Pay. We can turn these on as well, and some of the other third-party tools. So you will manage your payments right here. Similarly, we have products here. We added it, payment method, URL parameters. Then we have our logs and events. You can also edit your metadata. So this is how the payment page will look like with your Stripe. I showed you how to create a payment landing page using Stripe for free. So you can go ahead and now start sharing your link to receive your payment. I created a landing page for my subscriptions, and I have a link now that I can share to receive payments easily. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.